welcome to my channel. This is Shamustri from Sam Speaks. Today I've brought in for you my nighttime skincare routine as promised you in my last week's daytime skincare routine. So before beginning with today's agenda, let me take some time out for you to tell about what we all are going through. I know the situation isn't favorable to be happy, to be hopeful, but we all have to do for the sake of our family, for ourselves, and for the betterment of everyone. So what we all can do, if someone has the privilege for doing so, please do stay at home. Do not step outside without absolutely having the need of it. And so without any further delay, let's get started. The first product that I'll be using is from Pilgrims. This has lotus and camellia extracts, and once you sprinkle it on your face, you will instantly feel refreshed and hydrated. You can also use this as your makeup base before starting with the makeup. This will help to give that absolute fine base for your makeup. So I will be beginning with this. This will act as my toner for my nighttime skincare routine. So I'll give it some time to settle down and then I will massage it on my skin. So the next product that I'll be using is from L'Oreal. It is a L'Oreal Revitalift Skin Essence. It has crystal micro essence and it also has salicylic acid, which will help to give your skin that extra brightness. So I will take a few drops of it and then gently pat on my skin. So once this is done, the next product that I'll be using is Pixi Glow Tonic. Now, what is Pixi Glow Tonic? This is a form of chemical exfoliation. It has 5% glycolic acid. Now, whenever you're using any glycolic acid based product, the next day you should step outside your house with sunscreen only. And also, this product will have to be used only during nighttime skincare routine and at most 3 times a week, not every day. Glycolic acid is to remove chemically the dead skin cells and to bring out the newly generated cells. All have heard about something called physical exfoliants. Now, physical exfoliants are nothing but the scrubs which we used to use few years back. Those had tiny particles. Now, during scrubbing on our face, those tiny particles might have caused certain micro tears on our face, and that might have triggered the pimples. But this kind of products will chemically exfoliate your skin and will not create any micro tears on your skin, and in that way it is beneficial for your skin. So this is highly recommended from my side if you want brightness or removal of dark spots which you have, blemishes. This will help to remove everything. Like all of us do have certain spots which are caused due to the pimples which were there for years. Help to remove that. Okay. The next product that I'll be using is Nykaa Skin Potion. This is a glow boosting oil. This oil variant suited me the most, so I use this. I do have oily skin, but it never caused me any breakouts. I will be mixing this with Charmis Vitamin C Radiance Skin Serum. Now I'll be mixing both the products. I'll be taking 1 pump of this and 1 drop of this product. I'll be taking them in my pump, mixing them and warming both of them up and then gently applying on my skin. This will help to seal in the chemical exfoliants of glycolic acid which are applied before this. So glycolic acid, that is Pixi Glow Tonic, must be followed by some moisturizing base. So I choose Nykaa Skin Potion for this because this has to tightly seal that product. The next product that I'll be using is for my dark circles. As you can see, I do have a lot of dark circles. For my dark circles, I'll be using Garnier Eye Roll-On. I will be gently applying them in my under eyes. So that's all for my nighttime skincare routine. Hope it has been beneficial to you. Do come back to my channel and also watch my last week's daytime skincare routine if you haven't. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.